This is the North America Math Contest Go Go Go. This week we are going to discuss about a problem. We first need to know the boundary of this problem. So we should know two facts. First, 3. Right? This is the first step. The second we should know. From the first criteria, we are able to know that x has a range from -3 to 1. From the second one, we are able to know that x has a range from 1, can be 1 at maximum. So this means that 1 and -1 are maximum. So this means a fact. What a fact is that x has a range of -1 to 1. Now let's solve this equation. It can be solved using some simple techniques. So we know that we assume it is equals to this, so which serves it as the maximum boundary here. So we know that 3 minus x plus 1 is this. We know that this is equals to this. Oh, that one should be an accident. So then we square both sides. This is equals to which is equals to this, the right side. So we can get the formula is this, right? After that, we cross this out. We plus 3. We know this is 4. So we can get a decision that this is equals to this. Then we time both sides by 2, which is we get this. And we time it by 8. And we get an answer as this. After that, we square both sides. And we get, it should be this. It should be, 32 squared, it should be this. Minus 31 times 64. 1984 x plus 31 squared is equals to this. Right? So we get it should be this. When we minus 64, this should be this, and this should be this. It is 0. So now we get this. We only need to solve use the quadratic equation to solve this. Recall the quadratic equation. So it's negative b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac a c c is 897 divided by 2a. So we get this, right? And we simplify it, and it will be equals to this. Here it will be equals to this, right? Yes. Using calculator, we can know that it will be going to this. One plus minus root 127 divided by 32. Since we know that this is larger than 1, does not work. So therefore, the maximum boundary for him is this. Therefore, from that, we are able to know a factor that the maximum boundary is this, and since we have stated the lower boundary, therefore the final answer is going to be this. Here, we come to the end of this chapter, and I hope you have learned a lot. See you next week. Bye! In fact, problems, they have many solutions, and my solution is only a part of them. If you have more challenging solutions, please comment below. And don't forget, I will also post my problems there. See you tomorrow!